Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the December 2023 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also receive access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You just for our subscribers. And this month is this awesome cut file with the title Believe and then some holly and berries with a little bow. So perfect to go with both of these collections. So be sure to download that. This month our two collections are Doodlebug Designs Gingerbread Kisses and Fancy Pants Fruitcake and Tinsel. So if you love the aqua and the pinks with your Christmas collections, you're going to love both of these. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection is Gingerbread Kisses from Doodlebug Design. And I just love Doodlebug. It's got a sweet, whimsical little feel to it, the bright colors, and of course I'm a fan of pink and teal. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of turquoise mist and a sheet of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Berry Floral, which is florals with the berries and holly on that green background. And then we have pink tone-on-tone hearts. We have this big wide stripe. This paper is called Merry and Bright. The back is a diagonal plaid in all of the beautiful colors. And then we have this paper called Deck the Halls, which is their journaling paper, which I love because of all the different sizes. If you're documenting December, or even if you're just doing little layouts, you could put a list from kids, family. You can list out favorite activities that you did, and it doesn't have to follow on the number like per day or whatever. Super cute. The back is this awesome light strings on the aqua background. Then for the embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and I love this. We have 4 different borders, no 5, sorry, can't count. This gingerbread, I love it with the polka dots and the icing. Make sure you can see that, little pink loop-de-loop and a small pink scalloped, and then the wavy and sprinkles, just super cute. Lots of word labels and lots of big pieces that you could use for titles, Christmas memories. So you could go through here. One of my favorite things to do is to just look at some of the phrases that are on the embellishments, and it gives me ideas of what I can document. So Christmas memories, you could pick one out from this year or previous years and document that. If you have small children and you have visions of sugar plums, you could take a picture of them sleeping on Christmas Eve or something and just do a sweet little layout and journal kind of what they're dreaming of at this age. So that is Doodlebug Design Gingerbread Kisses. Our next collection is Fruitcake and Tinsel from Fancy Pants Design. And this is kind of like a mixed media design, super cute. So we have this fun take on Christmas trees. I just think this is a lot of fun. They just painted white and then just some little brush strokes of the other colors for the decorations or lights. I love that paper. The back is a distressed pink. This paper is called Pleasing Pines. And this paper is Perfect Poinsettia, which is a gorgeous poinsettia with holly and berries on that pink. The back is a pink plaid. This paper is called Mid-Century Merriment, which is a fun play on diamonds, and you can pick out hexagons here too, so you could do a lot of fun things with this paper. You could cut out hexagon shapes or punch them if you have the punches and do a design on the back of a page. That would be super cute with that paper. The back is a diagonal stripe in all of the different colors. That is your pattern paper. Your cardstock is 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of lime crush. Your embellishments, you're going to get some enamel dots, so these colors will vary. You're going to get some of the foam stickers. So again, these will vary, but I got that cute little deer and a tree and a cupcake. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, but you'll get a good mix of all three of these. Love that cute little Santa Claus. So that is Fruitcake and Tinsel from Fancy Pants. One more look at your double shot kit. If you're looking for even more collections, check out our Flavors of the Month where you'll get 4 brand new collections. We have a December album that is in limited supply, so you can check and see if it's still available. And you can have those items or individual items from the store shipped right along with your kits with no additional charge, so that's a great deal. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.